Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video here on my channel. And in today's video I want to show you guys how to create a search bar animation for your YouTube videos like the one you're seeing between my fingers right now. And yeah, we are going to do this with the help of an app called Mojo. So yeah guys, I will jump over to my iPhone and see you guys in a bit. So yeah guys, as you can see, I'm in the App Store right now and here I have the Mojo Insta Story Editor app. I will go ahead and download it now. So if you guys want to also check that app out, I have a link to it down in my video description for both Apple and Google devices. So the app already downloaded, so I will just go ahead and open it. So yeah guys, I'm inside the Mojo app right now. And to create our search bar animation, we have to scroll down and look for this Indonesia tag right here. So we will click on Indonesia and start with deleting this thing down here, which says the Ultimate Travel Guide. So we click on it once and then click on delete. So now the second step is to write what we want to be shown in our search bar. So because now in the beginning it says Indonesia, and like in the beginning of my video I want my search bar to show Zentag, so I will just go ahead and write Zentag in here. So now on the bottom left corner we will go on writing, and there we can collect which type of writing we want to have. I have to say I like a lot of them, so just go ahead and look through all of them. But for this video I will just use the first one, the Montserrat Bold. So I will click it and now change the writing again. So my writing has capital and also small letters. So yeah, after you are done with your writing, we will go to the bottom left corner and click on Style. So here now we will have a lot of different tabs where we can, for example, add our social tags. But for this video we will go to special characters. And if we go on special characters, you guys can see the first one in the top left corner is our search bar. So we will just click on it once and you guys can see our search bar is now inside our Mojo editor. So because Mojo is an Instagram story editor, it usually takes the Instagram format. But because we want to use it in our YouTube videos, I'm going to make it square and use the whole size of the screen, as you guys can see right here. I'm going to do it as big as possible. So now the next step, what I usually do is to change the colors of my writing and also of the search bar. So as you guys can see now, the writing, so Zentag is in white and my search bar is in like a grayish color. For my search bars, I like to change the writing to black, which you can do down here. You can see you have two colors. The one is the color from the writing, the other one is the color of the search bar. And my search bar color I want to change to white. So just like that, you guys can see now my search bar is just black and white. So to be able to use our search bar animation in our YouTube videos, we will need to change the background color to green. So this step is actually pretty easy. So we will just have to go on Google. There we will just search for green backgrounds. And I would use the second one here because it's like the most green color. Then we will just zoom in there and do a screenshot of our green background. So once we done that, we will go ahead and trim our picture that only the green screen is still seen. So just as you guys can see on my phone now, I just have selected the green part of the screenshot and then I'm going ahead and save it in my photos. So now we will get back on Mojo and change the background color of our project. Therefore we just have to go on the bottom left corner, click on this emoji, go on background and then we will choose from our photos. Now we just have to select if Mojo can have access to our pictures. Of course you have to accept that. I will click here, take this picture and I'm actually done. And yeah, as you guys can see now, I have the green background behind my Zentag search bar. So now I will be able to use it in my editing software. The only last tip I want to give you guys is, as I showed you in the beginning, I tried to make the Zentek search bar as big as possible. Just be careful that nothing is coming inside the white borders of your project, because then later on in our editing software we will just trim out those white borders, because then we will be able to use the green screen feature then. So now I will just go on the top right corner, click on save, and just save it to my gallery. So yeah guys, I will just send the picture over to my MacBook via AirDrop. If you guys don't have Apple products, you can just use something like WeTransfer. And yeah guys, I will see you in a bit once I'm back at my laptop. So yeah guys, I'm back at my laptop, and as you can see I have already put the search bar inside my iMovie editing software. And now if we want to put it in our videos, there are some steps. So I will first choose a background for my editing and then just put my search bar on top of it. So as I told you guys, we still have those white borders, and if I would choose the option for green and blue screen now, you guys can see that the white border is still there. And yeah guys, so now I will just go ahead and trim off those white border edges so that they are also gone from my green and blue screen. So I will just go on my editor's trimmer. I'm first gonna turn it around once so it's in the YouTube format. And now I'm going to just trim off those edges, as you guys can see here now. I will just have to delete a little bit of the clip, a little bit less here. And yeah, just by doing that, you guys can see here now, my white borders are gone and I'm only having my search bar now in my video. So that's how it's looking at the moment. Just quick and simple to do guys. And yeah, now the last step I want to show you guys, because there's one problem. For example, as I had it in the beginning of my videos, I had the search bar in between my two fingers. Problem now is, if I want to move the clip, so I go here and choose the picture in picture option, it would has the green screen again. So in iMovie you're not possible to use the picture in picture option as well as the green screen or blue screen feature at the same time. So you can see if I go on green screen and blue screen again, it's using the full size of the screen. So there's one simple step how we can get around that. So we will have to delete the background and our search bar. So now I want to show you guys an example where my search bar is in the top right corner of my video. So to do that we will just need to download another green screen picture. I already did that, but it's the same like before. You will just have to go on Google, search green screen and download any of them. Then we are going to take our search bar again and just do the same steps. So we're going to turn it around, trim off the edges like before. So just like that. Save that. And now we are going to choose the picture in picture feature. Because now both of our pictures having a green screen, we can select where we want it to be shown in our video. As I told you guys, I want my search bar to be shown in the top right corner of my video. So now I will just go ahead and place it in the top right corner of my video like that. I want to have it a little bit bigger, so just like that. So yeah guys, that is how it's looking now. Our search bar is in the top right corner of our video where we want it to be shown. But of course you guys can place your search bar wherever you want in your video. So now I will just go ahead and save that clip. So yeah, once I'm done with that, you guys can see up here's my new clip where the search bar is in the top right corner. Now I will just go ahead and delete those things again. And I'm going to choose a background again. And now when I put my new search bar on top and I select the green screen or blue screen feature, you guys can see that of course our complete green screen is gone. And now we will have our search bar in the top right corner or wherever you guys placed it in the video. So that's how it's looking now. So just a simple search bar which is displaying in the top right corner. So yeah guys, I hope I could help all of you out with animating your own search bar for your YouTube videos. If I did, please don't forget to smash the like button for my YouTube algorithm. And yeah, hopefully also see you guys in the next video. Have a great day and bye!